Chashushuli Georgian spicy beef and tomato stew.
Ingredients: 600 grams beef, 1-2 onions, 3-4 tomatoes, garlic, 1 chili pepper, 1-2 bay leaves, coriander, redrubin, parsley. Savory. Directions: slice meat in long thin pieces, chop up onions and fry them in oily pan at low heat. Add water little by little and simmer. If water evaporates and meat is not cooked yet, add more water. As soon as meat is ready, add peeled, chopped tomato, bay leaf, crushed garlic and all the spices. Mix well and simmer the dish for 10-15 minutes. At final stage, season and add finely chopped parsley to Chashushuli.